guys, ayan, I wanna share with you guys the best feminine wash I tried. Ito na, Pretty Peach Feminine Wash, ayan. That's why I keep on purchasing again and again and again. Ayan, di ba? Ang dami ko nang naubos. And ito yung current na ginagamit ko. Paubos na rin siya. So, syempre, meron tayong extra. So, ito na nga, hindi pa siya nakabukas. So, nakasealed pa yan. And alam niyo ba kung bakit? Ito talaga yung the best feminine wash for me. Number one, of course, yung mild lang. And meron din siyang mild scent, so hindi siya nakaka-irritate sa down there natin. And of course, kailangan din is FDA approved siya, so pasok. And wala siyang chemicals or harmful ingredients. It's all organic, kaya approved na naman siya. Number three, it really help to cleanse and pa-maintain yung pH level at maalagaan talaga yung down there mo. And meron pa siyang cooling effect to give extra refreshing sensation sa yung down there. Lastly, it is affordable and pangmasa talaga siya, guys. Effective and safe